जिसने उनका नाम मोहम्मद मालिक और जिसने किया रनिंग लाइन पे उसका नाम है हैदर। बॉलर का नाम पूछ
जा बॉलर का भी नाम पूछ के आ दौड़ के इसका नाम क्या था?
मलिक मलिक क्या नाम था? मालिक करके था कुछ।
मालिक नाम इसका। और बॉलर का नाम क्या बताया?
बॉलर का नाम था आदिल लफ्ती।
कखे टीम का ये कौन सी टीम है? पाबड़े वाली की?
नहीं ये
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good afternoon to all of you. Betting Paradise, Hashimpura Properties for the Sialkot. The first ball of this afternoon. क्या नाम था बॉलर का?
आदिल लफ्ती।
Other lefty is the bowler, such a great bowler, such a sensible bowler. Orthodox left-arm bowler, such a sensible bowler. On the other side, Malak is the batter, such a sensible batter. Once again, Adil is the bowler. Here we go. Oh, what a shot. That should be a 6. Yes, it is. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10, 6. The first sixer of this afternoon. Malik has decided to punish the reputation of everyone. So Adil is in trouble. Adil has to do something very special today, otherwise he'll be punished. Every single ball is necessary for the both sides. You just have to perform. You just have to prove yourself that you can do everything whatever the people are expecting. Whenever you are playing a cemented wicket, so you need to be concentrate on the line and length. Otherwise, you will be punished. You don't have enough space to make experiment. Deadly bouncer, but very unfortunately, that was a huge void. There is such no opportunity for the batters to perform and to prove himself. So Malik is such a sensible batter. Adil has to do something very special today. Once again, Malik is the batter. Such a great batter, such a sensible batter. Always try to do something very special today. Here we go. Once again, Adil is the bowler. Consecutive wides, back-to-back wides, absolutely a huge wide. A truly a nonsensical attitude, truly a ridiculous. Absolutely nothing special for the batters to do anything.
हाजीपुरा इस वक्त बैटिंग कर रही है और बापने वाली उगो की 11 इस वक्त बॉलिंग कर रही है। 4 ओवर का ये मुकाबला है।
Bowling side belongs to Ugoki.
हाजीपुरा के बैट्समैन करेंगे सामना
Sialkot. So once again, Adil is the bowler. Malik is the batter. Such a sensible batter, such a skillful batter. That should be a wide, back-to-back wides. Absolutely ridiculous. Extra runs, drop catches, always a big deal for a bowling side. क्या Malik?
मालिक स्टार राउंडर है मालिक सामना कर रहे हैं।
So Adil has to do something very special today. He has to maintain his line and length. Truly a bright afternoon.
मालिक को गेंद करेंगे। बड़े अच्छे
Perfect
बल्लेबाज हैं
conditions
मालिक।
for playing
सामना
cricket.
करेंगे।
Here we go. Malik is the batter.
मालिक को
That should be a 6. Yes, it is. That was truly a huge sixer. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10, 6. That was truly remarkable, truly memorable. What a shot, what a player. Truly a breathtaking shot from a breathtaking player. Malik has decided to terminate the reputation of Adil. So Adil is in trouble. Adil has to change his line and length, otherwise he'll be perished. Once again, Adil is the bowler.
आदिल
Malik is looking very
काफी
impressive
लंबा
today,
शॉट है
looking very confident today.
और अच्छे बॉलर है
He
आदिल
has
भी
decided to,
करेंगे
you know,
मालिक
to do something very special today.
40
Great
बल्लेबाज मालिक
entertainer,
बाहर से बैटिंग करेंगे
game changer, rock solid, one man
मालिक को
army,
गेंद
one man
करेंगे
show.
अंपायर
Malik.
कहेंगे मालिक
Good
को
shot!
मालिक
That should be a six.
उठा दिया है
Through the mid wickets, that should be a six. Back to back boundaries, absolutely very expensive today. Adil is in trouble.
मालिक गुम्मन ने 2 बॉल पे 2 बड़े शानदार सिक्स लगा दिए हैं एक एक दफा वीडियो को अप्रिशिएट कर लें आप अपनी मोहब्बत और प्यार का सबूत दें सियालकोट क्रिकेट पेज से
काके ये जो हम और इधर के ये बोगले नहीं थे हम खेलने जाते ये वहां पर खेलने आया था पता हसन लोगों के साथ हम उथे बड़ी कोट पे खाना या वो ये बाल
सुसी तावन इस टूर्नामेंट में 25000 पहला इनाम
ये
है
आदल काशी लोगों के साथ इंदर बोगले में खेलने आए हसन पता मैं अच्छा जहां पर हम गए थे कमेंट्री करने के लिए टूर्नामेंट ये वो ही है
काफी लंबा
इनके
शॉट
साथ अच्छा होना चाहिए यार।
बाबरे वालियों को की
once again Adil the great bowler the sensible bowler the skillful
यार
bowler
जजा के पास से गुजरे गेंद की मालिक को
Deadly bouncer, that should be a six.
बैक टू बैक
catches the ball. Four consecutive sixers, absolutely very expensive today. Adil is in trouble. Malik has decided to bash the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. He's truly a great entertainer. Rock solid, one man army, one man show. Adil, sorry, Malik.
मालिक गुम्मन ने आवाज के बारे में
Malik is truly a sensible batter, setting a good example for his team member that he can do everything whatever the people are expecting. Truly unpredictable factor, rock solid, one man army, one man show. Malik. So Malik Bhai has decided to do something very special today. Actually, every single ball is essential for the both sides.
हाजीपुरा आल पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट
I think it's a final
इसको
ball
जारी
of
है
his own.
हाजी सरफराज
Very expensive over. Truly a nonsensical attitude. Once again, Adil is the baller. Slow delivery, that should be a 4. Yes, it is. Couple of bounces over the fence. That should be a 4. Truly very expensive over. Adil is in trouble.
छक्के एक चौका लगाया है मालिक गुम्मन इस ओवर में बड़ा शानदार बैटिंग की है पूरी ब्रांड के अपने
The
बॉलर के
batter
पास
is Hyderabad.
ओवर मुकम्मल हुआ है 4 ओवर का ये मुकाबला है
Hitting the strike, such a sensible batter. Score.
35 रन 35 रन पहले ओवर में आए हैं
35 runs after 1 over. Truly expensive over. Truly nonsensical attitude.
35 रन बने हैं जी काफी महंगे साबित हुए बैट्स बॉलर
Bhaijan, bowler name.
फैसल आए हैं बॉलिंग करने के
Faisal
लिए
is the new bowler.
हैदर करेंगे सामना
Belongs to Goki Babdewali. Once again, Heather. That's a huge void, not a very good
Wide
line.
ball.
The bowler has to change his line and length.
36 रन
Variations
बोर्ड
are
पे हैं
unnecessary.
एक ओवर हुआ है
Otherwise, we don't have
36
enough
रन बोर्ड पे हैं
space
पहला
to
बॉल
make
वाइड किया दूसरे
experiments in
ओवर
a
का
table cricket. Every single ball is essential for the both sides. Once again, Heather is the batter. Such a sensible, good shot through the covers.
पॉइंट की जानब खेल दिया फील्डर गेंद के पीछे है पहला
That should be 2, comfortably taking 2 runs. He's calling for the third, but
तीसरा रन लेना चाहते हैं लेकिन
he
मना
has
किया हैदर ने
decided to rotate the strike. Such a sensible batter, such a skillful batter. Always try to do something very special today.
पहले ओवर में 35 रन बने हैं
Faisal is trying to
फैसल बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं पूरी ब्रांड गए
Do
उनके
something very
पास कुछ हदायत देने के लिए हैदर करेंगे सामना
once again. Faisal is the ball.
फैसल फैसल की गेंद को बैटफुट पे जाके खेल दिया हैदर ने गेंद जारी है डीप लॉग ऑन पे
comfortably taken.
लॉग ऑन पे फील्डर मौजूद है एक रन बनाने का मौका है दोनों बैट्समैनों के पास
You are playing across the line on a cemented wicket, so you'll never be able to to play
35 रन बने हैं
effectively.
जी पहले ओवर में
Just have to play, keep your bat straight, try to
मालिक करेंगे
concentrate on
सामना।
the line and length of
तीन
the
छक्के
ball.
एक चौका लगाया था पहले
Then
ओवर में
try
मालिक
to
ने।
to perform.
बड़े शानदार बल्लेबाज हैं।
Once again,
स्टाइलिश
Malik is the
बल्लेबाज
batter.
करेंगे सामना। फैसल तो मालिक
Good
इस गेंद
shot.
को बैटफुट पे
Ground
जाके
shot. That
खेल
should be
लिया।
a single.
पहला रन बड़ी तेजी से मुकम्मल किया मालिक
There
ने।
is a huge
मालिक
hustle and
दूसरा रन
bustle in
लेना
the
चाहते
ground.
हैं।
So
अच्छी
therefore,
रनिंग बिटवीन द
we
विकेट
have
बाय
to manage
मालिक
all
एंड
these
हैदर।
things.
दो रन मुकम्मल
The
किए मालिक ने।
management, Haji Sarfraz, is trying to manage all these things, but the people are trying to create hurdles.
फैसल सामना करेंगे डेंजर मैन मालिक।
Once again, Malik is the batter. Such a sensible
डेंजर मैन
batter,
करेंगे सामना मालिक।
rock solid. Slow delivery, that should
लेफ्ट
be a
साइड से
wide.
बाहर वाइड का सिग्नल आएगा।
Hafiz Faisal is trying to do us something very special today. Such a sensible bowler, such a skillful bowler. Always try to do us something very special today, and always try to set a good example for his team member. As a bowler, he's performing very well. Is a focus on his line and length. That's a necessary part of your bowling whenever you are bowling. Here we go. Malik is the
फैसल
batter.
टू मालिक।
Good shot.
इनसाइड
Shot
लगा है
boundary is
पूरी
a big,
ब्रांड
big
गेंद के
problem
पीछे
for
है
the both side. That should be two.
और दूसरा रन मुकम्मल
Comfortably
करेंगे।
taken 2 runs. Hafiz Faisal is the fielder.
दूसरा रन मुकम्मल करने में कामयाब हुए
That's a very good fielding.
मालिक। दाऊद अली भाई ये मुकाबले हो रहे हैं सियालकोट हाजीपुरा में। दाऊद अली भाई वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर दें।
So once again, Malik is the batter.
Faisal
Such
to
a
Malik.
sensible batter.
फैसल
Faisal is the bowler. Fast and furious. Catches the call. That should be out. Two fielders are there.
चांस हो सकता है।
Oh, what a catch he has
catch
dropped it.
किया है, drop।
That's a lollipop he has dropped it. A truly
अरे,
nonsensical
catch
attitude.
किया है, drop।
Catches win matches. That's the point you should always keep in mind whenever you are playing cricket. Drop catches, misfielding simply means that you are committing a suicide. You are killing yourself. You are terminating yourself. So it's a big tragedy in a table cricket that the fielders are not interested to take the catch. They're always trying to create hurdles for the bowlers.
Faisal once again.
Simply means that you can, simply means that you are breaking the backbone of the bowler. Perfect Yorker this
अच्छा
time.
बोल गया है, गेंद गई है।
That should be a single.
बीच
Comfortably
मैदान
taken
पे
1 run.
फील्डर मौजूद है। ओवर मुकम्मल हुआ है। फैसल का स्ट्राइक पे आएंगे मालिक।
43 runs after
47 रन आए हैं
2
जी, दो
runs.
ओवर में 47 रन। एक अच्छा आगाज फ्राहम किया है मालिक ने और हैदर ने।
काके स्कोर पूछ रहा क्या हुआ है?
47
47.
47
47 runs after 2 overs. Truly inaccessible for the bowling side. They have to do something very special, otherwise they'll be perished. Bhaijan, bowler name.
नहीं है भाई।
Bhaiya, bowler name.
सियालकोट की है अभी
The
तक।
new bowler is Abdullah Bhai. He belongs to Goki
Malik
Pabrehawali. So once again, Malik is the batter. Such a sensible batter. That's a huge void, not a very good line. Truly a nonsensical attitude. Every ball is essential for the both sides. You just have to perform. You just have to prove yourself that whatever the peoples are expecting. Malik is truly a great entertainer. He has the guts to change the game. A truly a game changer. Malik, once again, he's on strike. Good shot! That should be a 6. Yes, it is. Hashimpura Properties 10 and 10-6. That was a truly a huge sixer. Truly remarkable, truly memorable. Classic shot from a classic player. Malik is on fire. Malik has decided to patch the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. He's truly a man of honor, a truly a man of crisis. One man army, one man show. Malik Bhai. Once again, Malik is the batter. Good shot! That should be a 6.
once again.
Two consecutive sixer, back-to-back boundaries, absolutely very expensive today.
Outstanding batting by Malik.
Malik is looking very aggressive today. He's truly a man of honor. So the peoples are very happy from the performance of Malik Bhai. Once again, Malik is the batter. Good shot! Three consecutive boundaries. Absolutely a huge sixer. Truly unbelievable. Truly remarkable. What a shot. What a player. Malik Bhai. He's on fire. He's truly a game changer. One-man army, one-man show. Malik Bhai.
Excellent batting by Malik. अच्छा टोटल भी सेट करना होगा और एक दफा फिर यंगस्टर आए हैं इनाम देने के लिए मालिक को.
Oh, that's a kiss from the young boy. The peoples are, really love the batters. From his performance, he has proved himself that he can. Oh, what a shot! Four consecutive boundaries, back-to-back boundaries, absolutely very expensive today. What a shot! What a player! Truly a breathtaking shot from a breathtaking player. Once again, prizes. Once again, Malik is very happy. He's truly a game changer. Abdewali is in trouble. Once again, Malik Bhai. Deadly bouncer this time. Misjudge, mistime. Ground shot, that should be a single. Heather is rotating the strike.
Excellent batting by Malik.
That's how truly very expensive today. Kake score. Kake score.
One man army show करते हुए इस मुकाबले में
चार छक्के लगे ना
चार लगे हैदर करेंगे सामना.
Once again, Heather is the good shot. Flicked away. That should be a six. Through the mid wickets, classic shot from a classic player. A truly remarkable, truly memorable. What a shot! What a player! This little boy has decided to perish the reputation of everyone. Doesn't matter who he is. Who he is. Once again.
इस ओवर में 38 रन आए हैं
और 85 स्कोर हो गया.
85 runs after 3 overs. Truly inaccessible, but truly unchaseable. But everything is possible in a game of cricket. That's a point you should always keep in mind whenever you are playing cricket. Here we go, Malik. Brand versus Brand. Hafiz Faisal is the bowler. Fast and furious. Such a quick bowler. Such a sensible bowler. Malik is rotating the strike. Such a sensible batter. He has decided to do something very special today.
86 runs on the board.
He has proved himself as a great terminator. He can terminate the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. Once again, Faisal is the bowler, fast and furious. Good shot! Look at that style! Style is the man! That should be a six! Hashimpura Properties, 10 on 10, 6.
Once again, Malik
Malik has decided to do something very special today. He is truly a great entertainer. He is truly a game changer.
90 plus runs board pe hai.
One man army, one man show, Malik Bhai.
Once again, Faisal lamba start, youngster, passes umpire, ball to Malik.
Slow delivery, flicked away. That should be a six through the mid wickets. That should be a six. Hashimpura Properties 10 and 10, 6. What a shot! What a player, Malik Bhai. He's on fire.
Malik ke liye cash inam. Outstanding batting by young man.
So this boy has decided to terminate the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. Once again, Faisal is the bowler.
इस दफा अच्छा बॉल किया है.
Dot ball.
डॉट बॉल
That's a
खेल गए
very
हैं
good
मालिक.
variation. Faisal is such a quick bowler.
बड़ी शानदार बल्लेबाजी की अभी तक
He
मालिक
has
ने.
the guts to deceive the batters. Such a great deceiver in a positive sense.
रन बोर्ड पे लगा दिया है और इस टूर्नामेंट का हाईएस्ट
This match
स्कोर हो
has
सकता
been
है।
sponsored by KG Sports, NK Sports
इससे
from
पहले
Karachi,
85-86 रन
Shokat
बने
Bhai
हैं।
and Arslan Bantuba.
ये मुकाबले में 100 प्लस रन करने जा रही है मालिक उमर की टीम।
Once again, good
और
shot.
शॉट खेल दिया 6 रन के लिए।
That should be a 6. Classic shot from a classic player.
100 प्लस रन
Shot of the day.
मालिक ने।
He knows exactly what he is doing, exactly he's aiming for. Blazing start, blazing ending, blistering start, blistering ending. That's the point you should always keep in mind whenever you are playing cricket. In a table cricket, you don't have enough space to make experiment. You just have to click away and perform and to prove yourself that you can do everything, whatever the people are expecting. Perfect shot from a perfect player. That should be a single, comfortably taken 2 runs. No ball is the call. Overstepping is a big problem for the bowlers.
No ball.
नो बॉल का इशारा दिया इजाज जज्जा प्रोफेशनल अंपायर है।
Bowler is
ऑल
looking a
पाकिस्तान
little
हमारे
annoyed.
इवेंट्स में सुपरवाइज करते
The
हैं
final decision
और
is it's a no
टूर्नामेंट को
ball.
भी सुपरवाइज करते हैं।
Umpire has to
बताते रहे
finalize
काका,
it's a no ball or a legal
सुलेमान
ball.
काका वो भी बड़े अच्छे
The final
अंपायर हैं
decision it's a no ball.
और चीफ ऑर्गेनाइजर इस टूर्नामेंट के हैं कैफ और हाजी सरफराज इस
ये
टूर्नामेंट
हमारे साथ ज्वाइन किया हुआ है फाहिद
एनके स्पोर्ट्स और केजी स्पोर्ट्स का
फाहिद इब्राहिम मलिक साहब जो हैं फ्रॉम जापान.
शॉट खेल
We
दिया
are
है
very thankful
6
to
रन
him.
के लिए गेंद जाएगी बाउंड्री लाइन से
Once
बाहर।
again, that should be a
ओवर
6.
मुकम्मल हुए हैं कुली ब्रांड आएंगे अब बैटिंग
So
करने के
Malik
लिए
is totally dominating
कुली
over
ब्रांड आएंगे जी
both the bowlers.
स्कोर क्यों है आजा दोस्त
अभी 15 shots नहीं मैं कौन करोगे
अब भाईजान total hello total
115 रन का टारगेट है जी कुली ब्रांड के लिए जो मालिक ने
114
टोटल सेट किया
Truly stiff
है वो
target, truly
कुली ब्रांड
excessive
के
ball.
लिए 115 का
I
बड़ा
personally
स्कोर
feel
है
it's a one-sided match. There is nothing special for a Papdewali Ugoki. It's truly an excessive. मलिक साहब क्या हाल है आपके?
ठीक है
Mir Murtaza Khan is also joined the company, is watching the match. So we are very thankful to Mir Murtaza Khan.
What is this?
It's a one-day tournament.
क्या कही बहुत तमीज से दिख रहा है
ये लो आप भी. ये लो आप भी. तू भी ले भाई.
थैंक यू इधर राश करीब ही आपकी इधर
यहाँ पर ही रहता हूँ.
इसी मोहल्ले में
हाजी पुरान.
सही कोई शॉप वगैरह है आपकी
हाँ जी.
कौन सी
मैंने मोबाइल एसेसरीज वगैरह स्पोर्ट्स का सामान वगैरह रखा हुआ है.
स्पोर्ट्स का भी रखा हुआ है
Pillar number 4
भाईजान नाम क्या है आपका?
कुली कुली ब्रांड कुली ब्रांड
पुली ब्रांड. जो नाम पूछ के आया दोनों बैट्स.
कुली है कुली नाम है
पूछ के आया यार पुली है केड़ा नाम है यार.
वैसे नहीं कुली निक नेम कुली ब्रांड
बहुत दफा करो ਅਸੀਂ सही नाम पुकारने हैं. पुली ब्रांड. अगले क्रूली घर के उधर थोड़े दिन पढ़.
कुली ब्रांड
तेरा पुत्र ना ही नहीं लेना था जा फिर कुली ब्रांड और उसका दूसरे का वो दूसरे का पूछ के आ तू पुत्र एक ही पूछ के आ गए
जवाब दे आजो जवाब दे
उसका नाम जवाद है इसका नाम कुली है
कुली ब्रांड
कुली
कुली कहते हैं यानी विराट कोहली
अच्छा कुली
कोहली इसको ना निकनेम कोहली रखा हुआ है
कुली कुली क्या कुली है विराट कोहली है उसका नाम ओके जब बॉलर का नाम पूछ के आ यार वो फैसल ही है वो ये मालिक ही है रहने दे
मालिक नहीं करना होगा ये हैदर करेगा या मालिक करेगा बड़ा अच्छा ऑलराउंडर है मालिक जे ठीक है
जो ठीक है
सामने हाल का
सही उथे सर ग्राउंड है ना सामने आज मुंडे तो
बड़ी क्रिकेट बहुत ज्यादा क्रिकेट है असामा भी उठों नहीं है असामा भी उठों नहीं है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very warm welcome to all of you. Batting Paradise, Hashimpura Properties, Fatehgarh, Sialkot. So two traditional rivals are punching with each other for respect and honor. It's a great battle.
one-sided खेल गया
So Kohli brand. Papde Ali,
ठीक है आज
Boki on the other side.
नहीं जी
Malik
115
Bhai.
रन का टारगेट चेज करना है कुली ब्रांड और
He
जवाब
has
को
performed very well today.
मालिक गुम्मन बेस्ट
Malik Gumman, he belongs with JTK. Samrayal Sialkot.
समड़ियाल के बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर बॉलिंग करने के लिए आए हैं
It's
जी
a
मालिक
big
गुम्मन
opportunity for Malik Bhai to prove himself and set a good example for his team. Here we go, the first ball of this afternoon. Malik is the bowler, fast and furious, catches the call. But the keeper is not interested to take the catch. That's a dolly he has dropped it. A truly nonsensical attitude from the keeper. Look at that side. This little boy has dropped it.
मालिक गुमान फ्रॉम जेठीके
Once again, Malik. A brand of JTK
मालिक गुमान
Sialkot.
बड़े अच्छे ऑलराउंडर हैं बड़ी
Fast
अच्छी
and furious.
बॉलिंग करने के लिए आए हैं।
Second
दूसरा
ball.
ball.
Oh, deadly bouncer. That was.
excellent bowling by मालिक लेकिन नो बॉल का इशारा दे
Was
दिया है
truly inaccessible for the batters to judge the ball and to play effectively. There is a huge gap between ball and bat. He's so
मालिक
quick.
गुमान ने बैटिंग में बड़ी शानदार बैटिंग की है
Malik
मालिक ने
has tried to
बॉलिंग
dominate
करने के लिए आए हैं
over the
बेस्ट ऑलराउंडर
batters.
जेठीके
He's so
समड़ियाल
quick. Once again, Jawad Bhai belongs to Ugoki. He has to do something very special today. He
जवाब
has
करेंगे
to set a
सामना
good
मालिक
example for
गुमान
his team member. Once again, Malik. Good shot! That will be a six.
Over to
Hashimpura Properties 10 and 10 6. The first sixer of this afternoon. What a shot! What a player! Jawad Bhai. Jawad Bhai has decided to patch the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. He is truly a man of honor, truly a great entertainer. One man army, one man show. Jawad Bhai. Malik. So it's a super ball.
सुपर बॉल
It's a big opportunity for the batters to prove himself. Here we go. Malik is the bowler.
मालिक
Fast and furious. Perfect.
शॉट खेला कट दिया बॉल
That should be
को,
a
ये
two
की तरफ।
through the
मालिक
cover,
के
through the
पीछे
point
है।
area. That should be a four, I think. That's a very good fielding. Malik is looking very impressive today. He's setting a good example for his team member. is rotating the strike.
वो से नहीं
Once
मालिक
again,
गुमन पूरी ब्रांड को गेंद करेंगे
a brand versus brand.
पूरी ब्रांड दो ब्रांड आमने सामने हैं ब्रांड ऑफ कुकी ब्रांड ऑफ समरियाल मालिक गुमन
Once again, Malik is the bowler. Perfect Yorker. That should be wide. That was a huge wide.
वाइड का सिग्नल आएगा
It's truly a big opportunity for a Malik to set a good example for his team
115
member.
रन का टारगेट चेज करते
As a
हुए
batter,
पूरी ब्रांड
he has performed very well, but as a bowler, he has proved that he is deserving for this place. He's truly a man of honor, a truly great entertainer. Here we go. Malik is the bowler.
राउंड द विकेट गेंद करेंगे दाएं हाथ से खेलने वाले बल्लेबाज पूरी ब्रांड को ब्रांड ने
Good
इस गेंद
shot.
को खेल दिया है फील्डर वहां मौजूद है
Long shot. That should be a
20 ओवर
single.
पे एक ही रन मिलेगा
Comfortably taken one more. Jawad Bhai is rotating the strike. Such a sensible batsman, such a skillful batsman.
शुरुआत करेंगे सामना
He's trying to do something very special today.
मालिक गुमन का मालिक गुमन
Here we go.
लेकिन
You like that
बॉल का
was.
इशारा दे दिया अंपायर ने
He's trying to produce some pace. But I personally feel that the bowler should always try to concentrate his own line and length. That's a point you should always keep in mind whenever you are
मालिक गुमन
bowling.
फ्रॉम जे ठीक है
Here we go. Perfect Yorker. That should be six. Yes, it is. That was truly a huge sixer. Truly unbelievable. Truly a breathtaking shot from a breathtaking player. So Jawad Bhai has decided to punish the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. So Malik is in trouble. It's a great contest between the two traditional rivals. They are punching with each other for respect and honor. Here we go. Malik is the bowler. Oh, that's a wide ball. The bowler should always try to concentrate his own line and length. That's a point you should always keep in mind. As a bowler, you have to focus on his line and length.
मालिक गुमन once again ओवर द विकेट आए
once
बॉलिंग करने के लिए
again-
जवाद को गेंद के जवाद को चेंज ऑफ पेस बोल किया था जवाद
Malik is such a great deceiver. He has the guts to deceive the batters. Such a sensible bowler, such a sensible all-rounder. आवाज है कि पूछ ले 24 runs after 1 over. So the new bowler is Heather Bhai. Such a great all-rounder, such a sensible all-rounder. He is truly an unpredictable character. This young boy has to do something very special today. So Kohli is the batsman.
हैदर आए हैं जी बॉलिंग करने के लिए सामना करेंगे कुली
Kohli is
ब्रांड
not interested to tell us
फ्रॉम
his real name.
पहला बॉल अच्छा
Long
बॉल
shot,
करके
that should
कुली
be a
ब्रांड सही
single.
तरह खेल नहीं पाए गेंद गई है मिड विकेट
So
पे
arrogant.
फील्डर वहां मौजूद है एक रन
Arrogant
मिल
actually
जाएगा
he is. Self-centered person.
शुरुआत करेंगे अब सामना हैदर का
Person should be a self-centered,
हाजीपुरा
but
वर्सेस
we should
बाबरे वाली
always keep in
के
mind
दरमियान
that
ये मुकाबला है मालिक गुम्मन ने
we
बड़ी
should
शानदार
always
बल्लेबाजी
try
का
to
मुकाबला किया
have
है
some
बड़ा
respect.
टोटल सेट किया 4 ओवर में
Give
115
respect
का
and take respect. That's the point you should always keep in mind. Once again, Heather is the ball.
once again to Jawad
Perfect Yorker this time.
excellent bowling की लेकिन
That's why-
किया बॉल वाइड का सिग्नल है
तली दे भाई दी कैमरे बॉल के लगे तो नहीं करती हां ओके है
Once again, Heather is the bowler.
Heather once again to Jawad.
Perfect Yorker. What a
excellent
bowling.
ball, yaar. Excellent bowling.
Heather has the guts to to deceive the batter. Such a sensible bowler, such a
Jawad
skillful
बिल्कुल
bowler.
नहीं समझ सके इस ball को.
This young boy has proved himself that he can do everything whatever the team members are expecting. He's truly
Heather,
unpredictable character.
youngster. Round the
This
wicket,
young boy
passes the ball,
has
ball to
slow
Jawad.
delivery, ground shot, that should
Jawad
be a
इस गेंद
single.
को खेल दिया है, deep log on
That's a
पे,
very good
fielder वहाँ
variation.
मौजूद है.
Variations are
एक ही
unnecessary
बात मिलेगा दोनों
in
बल्लेबाजों
each
को.
and every kind of
पूरी
situation.
फ्रंट करेंगे सामने आप.
You must have a guts to deceive the batters. You must have some sort of skills to prove yourself that you can do everything whatever the people are expecting.
Heather lefty.
Once again, Heather is the
Heather
ball.
आए हैं जी. दाएं हाथ
Through
से
the
बॉलिंग
covers,
करते
that
हैं.
should be a
इस गेंद को
six.
खेल दिया, फील्डर गेंद के नीचे आने की कोशिश करेंगे लेकिन गेंद गई है. चार
Couple of
रन के
bounces
लिए
over the
बॉलिंग
fence,
है
that should be a four. The first boundary of this over. Every single ball is essential for the both sides. You just have to perform and to prove. Heather's truly a
Heather
great
once again.
entertainer. Such a sensible bowler, such a
गेंद
skillful
करेंगे पुली
bowler.
ब्रांड को.
Here we go.
पुली ब्रांड इस गेंद को खेलना चाहते थे लेग साइड पे. गेंद जा रही है ठंडमैन की जानब. हैदर गेंद के पीछे पीछे है. दूसरा रन मुकम्मल किया पुली ब्रांड
Comfortably
ने.
taking 2 runs. He's demanding for the third,
और
but
दो ही रन मिलेंगे.
Jwadbhai is not interested to take the third run. That's very good running between the wickets. That's a great volley. That's a great line and length. The last ball of this over. Heather is the bowler once
Heather.
again. On the other side, Kohli is the batsman.
गेंद करेंगे पुली ब्रांड को.
Good shot. Same ball, same shot. That should be a six. Yes, it is through the covers. That was truly a huge sixer. Truly remarkable, truly memorable. One man army, one man show. Kohli bhai. Kake, score. "39 runs after 2 overs." So Papadali's boys, they are performing very well. They are trying to set a good example that they can do everything whatever the people are expecting. Jwadbhai is using the GA brand of Sialkot. So they are producing a very good bats. So if you are interested to buy these bats, so try to keep in touch with a GA brand. Bowler name, Bhaijan? Bowler name? No idea. Tahir.
फिर आए हैं जी बॉलिंग करने के लिए.
The new bowler is Tahir Bhai. Such a sensible bowler. Here we go. Jwadbhai. He's on strike. So these matches are organized by NK Sports Karachi and KG Sports Sialkot. So they are producing very good bats. Oh, that's a very good variation. Tahir Bhai has the guts to deceive the batters. Such a great deceiver, such a sensible deceiver, such a skillful deceiver. Here we go, the next ball of this over. Jwadbhai is totally confused. He was unable to understand how to play effectively.
Once again Sulman.
Deadly bouncer that was.
Excellent
There's such
bowling,
no
yaar.
opportunity
Excellent
for
bowling.
the batters to play effectively. He is truly fast and furious. He's so quick. He's an economical bowler. There is a little confusion between the batters and the umpires. An umpire has to take the decision. It's a white ball or a legal delivery. The batters are demanding for the no balls. Actually, it's over the head. It's truly inaccessible for the batters to play effectively. There is such no opportunity for the batters to perform. So look at the atmosphere of this ground. There's a huge hustle and bustle. The people are enjoying the match. Great weather conditions, perfect weather conditions for playing cricket. Here we go. Good shot, catches the call. Short boundary is a big problem. That should be a 4, I think. Couple of bounces over the fence, that should be a 4. It's a one-sided match. Malik Guman has won the match. It's a big opportunity for Malik Bhai from JTK Sialkot to prove himself and set a good example for his team members. Malik Bhai, brand of Sialkot, brand of Pakistan, setting a good example, symbol of success.
चल आई ना कितनी देर बाद आओ तो जा गया ठीक है